Wala po ba palakpakan dyan? Wala rin po ba hiyawan dyan? I always believe that being gay in this society is not to diminish our humanity. Because only purpose in living is to love and to be loved, to be contribute and to be prosperous. Greetings! Hello, hi, mabuhay! All the way from Barangay Kansinala, Municipality of Papalit, Province of Pampanga. This is Jel Fajardo Galang. But tonight, is this a pageant? Distinguished panel of educators, ma'am, sir, allow me to stand and carry the image of your one and only. Ang babaeng kumagat ng Yum Burger sa Jollibee. Ba't di ho natin sabay-sabay palakpakan Miss Julia Barreto. Julia!